his question first. His question is about the subconscious mind. He's asking a very good question, Nilesh. Yes, there are two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Two facts about the subconscious mind, if I have to explain the answer. Number one, the subconscious mind never rests. Whether you're awake or whether you're sleeping, the subconscious mind is always working. Number two, the subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is imaginary. Now, coming to the point about taking control of the subconscious mind. Now, the subconscious mind works on the basis of the information that it collects through its physical senses in your surroundings. Now, if it is about taking control of what goes on into the subconscious mind, you have to take control of the information which is going into the subconscious mind. Because whatever is going in, whatever is the input, is going to be the output in your life. Yeah? And exactly this technique is used for visualization and for manifestation by a lot of people, right? So the key is to control the information or the input which is going into your subconscious mind, because that is what is going to create the results in your life. So that is the sure shot way. And for that, again, it comes back to mind training. Again, it comes back to a great level of awareness. And again, it comes back to being aware of what information or inputs that you're putting into your mind. It is about taking control of your mind. It is about building up that mental muscle. It is about breaking certain patterns and creating new patterns which are going to serve you. Because that is the information, if you're putting into your subconscious mind, that is what it is going to create for you. That is about taking control of your subconscious mind. The second part of your question was that from childhood you're seeing that certain things that you think about, they are coming about. So the same thing applies to it, that yes, it works. When you are at a very young age, you mentioned 7 to 8 years, at that age, children have a very pure mind. They dream freely. Unfortunately, that is one faculty that we lose as we grow up. But yes, as children, we dream freely, we think freely, we don't really think that there is anything restricting us. Yeah? So as a child, whatever you have fed, unknowingly or knowingly into your subconscious mind, somewhere along it has started manifesting for you. And that is what probably you have been experiencing. And if you have been able to experience that, you might as well use it deliberately now, because we are deliberate creators. If you are going to be conscious of what you are feeding to your subconscious mind on a regular basis, you are going to be able to create desired results in your life. I hope that answers your question.